So are you worried about being ripped off this Black Friday and wondering how you can shop smarter? Today, I'll be highlighting my top tips for Black Friday shopping this 2022. How's guys, what's going on? My name is Prashant, welcome back to techsceneza. If this is your first time here, you better make sure you subscribe because you're missing out on all the awesome content that we put out. Black Friday is falling on the 25th of November this year, and Black Friday is something that's originated in America but now has become somewhat of a social norm in Southern Africa, as well as not just Black Friday, Cyber Monday as well. And I'm not going to bore you with the history. The first thing, you should have a plan. So know what you want and what you're shopping for, as well as resist impulse buys and marketing tactics by drawing up yourself a budget as well as creating a shopping list which you should adhere to strongly. So on the items you're shopping for, do not view the specials and then decide if it's worth it or not. You should actually be tracking prices long before Black Friday specials actually come out, so you are positively sure if it's actually worth it. And the biggest thing is, post-COVID, if you can avoid the queues and the madness, do it, because most of our bigger chain stores are running not just a day special, they're having Black Week, which means the specials are available the entire week, as well as most of our retailers are actually offering online purchasing. So like with someone like Macro, if you're going for something like a TV or a PlayStation, you don't need to wake up early on Friday, be in the queue to buy the TV. You can just wake up at 7, purchase the TV, and go and pick it up a week, 2 weeks later, or even a couple of days later. But just let things simmer down and then you go pick up your TV. You don't want to be in there with the hustle, bustle. Who knows, something might happen to your TV. But that's actually worst case scenario. And on the note of websites and shopping online, if you are actually shopping online, these are some of the things that you should look out for. The biggest of all is beware of website scams that a lot of the time make the prices too good to be true. And you should acknowledge it now that if our bigger chain stores are not selling it at a specific price, like if you take a TV, take our Skyworth, that was on special for 7,000 Rand. You can't have some chop shop website selling that exact same TV for 5,500 Rand, 5,000 Rand, or even 6,000 Rand. Because if our bigger chain stores are not selling it at that price, how can this small shop be selling it at that price when they are buying less stock? You'd understand. The second thing is, when shopping online, make sure you're shopping on a secure website by making sure in the URL it says HTTPS, meaning it has a secure website and has a certificate for its security. And you can also make sure by making sure that there is a lock at the top left hand side of your web page. But personally, I would suggest you don't even try anything or any of these small retailers. Stick to our bigger stores and our known online stores. People that we see regularly, people that we've shopped off previously, because we know we can trust them, we know our product is being delivered. So also on the point of shopping online, you should be making secure payments with known payment or merchant services. You shouldn't just be entering your credit card details or your bank card details willy-nilly, and then next thing you know, you're getting scammed, your card is cloned, money is going. On that aspect, I might suggest using a virtual card, which is only loaded for specific spends that we anticipate for Black Friday, reducing the risk of being scammed even further if anything does actually go wrong. Your actual bank card is safe, and it's just the virtual card that's at risk. But yeah, guys, that was a couple of my top tips for shopping Black Friday and Cyber Monday this 2022. But all I can say is I wish you guys the best of luck with the specials, and I know that the economy isn't in the best places of times right now, so things aren't going to be exceptionally cheap, but there is a couple of things that you might pick up every now and again. But yeah, guys, that's been my tips for Black Friday 2022. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving a like rating if you did. And if you aren't already subscribed, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. In the comments down below, you can let us know if you actually have some tips for shopping Black Friday this year, and share it with some of our fellow watchers, and just so we can help out each other shopping this Black Friday. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prashant, and I'll see you in the next video.